Cracking the code. Simplify your English with single-word verbs. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating aspect of English language learning: phrasal verbs. Specifically, we are focusing on identifying and replacing phrasal verbs in sample texts. This will help you sound more formal and academic in your English communication. Let's get started. Phrasal verbs are a unique part of English language, made up of a verb and a preposition or an adverb, or both. Phrasal verbs like pick up, turn on, or give in often have different meanings than the individual words suggest. Though they are a common feature of everyday English, in formal writing or speech, we often prefer to use single-word verbs. Now, let's practice identifying these phrasal verbs in texts. When you're reading English, look for combinations of verbs followed by prepositions or adverbs. For example, in the sentence, "She turned off the lights and went out," turned off and went out are phrasal verbs. Now, here comes the fun part: replacing phrasal verbs with single-word verbs. This is a useful skill for making your English sound more formal or academic. In our previous sentence, we can replace turned off with extinguished and went out with departed. So the sentence becomes, "She extinguished the lights and departed." It's time to put what we've learned into practice. Take a few minutes to find the phrasal verbs in the following sentence and replace them with single-word verbs. He looked over the document before he handed it in. She broke down when she found out the news. Pause the video here, do the exercise, and when you're ready, hit play again to see the solutions. Solution: he reviewed the document before he submitted it. She collapsed when she discovered the news. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try doing this exercise with other texts to enhance your understanding. And there you have it. You've learned how to identify phrasal verbs and replace them with single-word verbs to refine your English language usage. We hope you found this video helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at spotting and replacing phrasal verbs. Until next time, happy learning!